In this video, I want to show you how you can use Canva to create very beautiful designs for free. Canva is one of the most important websites for online marketers, for course creators, for services, for basically anybody who is looking to have some kind of presence graphically, using graphics, videos, and stuff like that. Canva is one of the most important websites for people like us. So if you want to use Canva, this video is going to show you the things you can do with Canva and how you can use Canva to easily create different kind of designs. The first step is to go to canva.com and create an account. I will equally put a link in the description of this video for you to go to Canva and create an account. So after creating an account using just your email and a password, you will come to an interface like this. And as you can see, I personally use a free plan, which means that the free plan is basically okay for you if you do not have very professional needs. So when you come to Canva, this is the interface you are going to see. And with Canva, you can do a lot of incredible designs. So if you come right here where we have the design spotlight, you can see that you can use Canva to make logos, flyers, banners, posters, resume, invitation maker, business card, video intro maker, meme maker. You can use Canva to create, to make college graphic makers, presentation, PDF editor, and a whole lot of things. And the beautiful thing with Canva is that these designs are actually with pre-made templates, so you don't have to start designing from scratch if you don't want to. So you can open any of these things and find already made templates that you can just edit and start using, or that you can remodel and start using. So you have basically everything for you, and they have all been created using the right dimensions for each of the platforms. So let's say you want to create a post for Instagram. If you come to Instagram, you see that you have all the whole templates pre-designed using the exact same dimensions that will fit into the different parts of Instagram, or the different parts of your WordPress website, or the different parts of a PDF, of a website, of a Facebook post, a Twitter post, videos, YouTube, anything at all. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use Instagram to show you how you can use Canva to create designs. So the process is basically the same across any other thing that you want to do. It's basically a drag and drop and edit and delete, however you want it. So I'm going to use Instagram. So I select Instagram, and then I come to design with Instagram. But if I go back to the Canva interface, I can equally come right here where it says search content, and I can search for whatever I want to design. So I can say again Instagram, and then I will see all the Instagram stuffs. So you can see we have Instagram post as a square. We equally have Instagram post as a portrait. All right, so you can select anyone you want. So you have other suggested templates. So you can see you already have pre-made templates that you can use, or you can come here and click on select all, so you can see all the templates that you can use with Canva or on Canva. So these templates, some of them are free, some of them are paid. So if you come to Canva and you see anyone like this, it's free, and these ones are free. But if you see anyone that has this icon, this is a pro template. That means you cannot use this one for free. You have to pay Canva to use this. So you can see this one too is pro. This one that says paid means that you can remove the watermark by paying Canva $1. That means you can pay and just use only that particular template or picture or whatever. So you scroll and then you find anyone that you want to use, and then you can edit it. So you can equally come and start creating your own custom design. So if you come to create design, you can come to custom size, and then you can put any size you want. You can put any size in pixels, in inches, in millimeters, and then in centimeters. By default, it's set to pixels, so you can put the digits or the numbers you want, the dimensions here, and proceed. So let's say we just want to do an Instagram post, and then I just want to select this one. So I click on that one. So this is a square, and again you have different free templates that you can use. So anyone you want, you can just click on it and it replaces this one. All right, so I can just undo this or redo it again, and you see how it changes. So if I want to duplicate this page, I can just come here and duplicate this page, and then let's say I want to add another free one. I can just click right here, and then let's say I duplicate it again. I can just come and select another one. So this is basically some of the things you can do with Canva. However, if you want to use your own template, you can actually start creating from scratch. But if you are a beginner, you are better off just redesigning what somebody else has designed before. But before you start your designing, right here you can see that on Canva you can search for elements. So if you come to elements, you can search for frames, arrows, lines, a lot of things. So Canva allows you to search for a lot of things. You can come right here and just type anything that you want to search for. Let's say I want to search for a king. I can just type king, and Canva is going to give you some elements. Yes, some of them are still free, some of them are paid. So you can just say you want to use this one, and some of them can be edited. You can change the colors, and most importantly, you have what is called the magical recommendation. So you can find related images or templates to what you want to do, to what you want to design. So again, you can upload your own template. You can come here and say you want to upload. You can upload videos, you can upload audios and images, do whatever you want to do. So you can equally see some of your saved projects or some of your designs already. You can add tests. You can add different kind of tests. So Canva already has different font combination they've prepared for you that you can use. So you can equally set a style so that all your designs are going to be in this way. So you can set a header, and then you can equally set a subheader or a body text. You can set your brand colors. So whenever you create designs, you can just say you want all these designs to be in these colors, and this makes the process easier for you to design. So you can come here and say you want to make videos. You can find videos that you've used, or you can even record yourself on Canva. You can record yourself as you make this video. Or you can say maybe you are looking for B-rolls. You can come and search for, let's say we are looking for a walking man, or let's just say walking or people walking. So if you search that, you see some free videos that you can use and some paid ones that you can equally use. Come right here, you can select backgrounds, and you have also free backgrounds that you can use. If you come to more, you can even do more things with Canva. You can create using some of these other third-party apps. So you can equally integrate your account here and discover things with Pixabay, Pixels, YouTube, all of them. You can import your media from Adalong, from Box, from a whole lot of things, Dropbox, Google Drive, Instagram, and all of that. So You can do a lot of things with Canva, but for now we just want to create designs. So let's start by editing these designs. So to just edit any part of these designs, you just click on it and you can change this color from, let's say this is pink, we can say let's make it red. All right, you can see that we have changes right here. So this is another template that let's first delete this king. We don't need a king no more. So this is an image that you can equally delete, you can equally edit, you can increase the brightness, you can increase the contrast, you can increase the saturation, you can change filters to whatever you want, you can increase the intensity, blah blah blah. You can do basically a lot of things right here. And right inside here we have the text, so you can just click on the text and write whatever you want. You can say how to use Canva, and this text you can equally come and change the text, the font style and then the font size. So you can say you want to use Archivo Black, and you can increase the size by just holding this, drag it up or down as you want, or you can come here and increase the size. So at the top here you can change the color of that text. So this is black, but you can say okay, let's still make it red, or if you have your own color code that you want to use, you can just come here and click this and paste the color code that you want to use. So you can equally align this text. So we want this text to stay centered, or you want it to go to the right side of your design, so it can go to the right side of your design. So you can equally create a list, but we cannot create a list now. Okay, we can if we wanted, but we just have one word there. So I'm just going to undo that. And right here you can change the line spacing and then the letter spacing, and you can say this is not visible because this text is not broken into lines. So let me just break it into lines so you see what I'm talking about. So if I break it into lines and then I want to center it, I want to reduce the line space, and I come right here, I can increase, you see the space between the text, we increase, and I want it to be closer, I can reduce it. If you want the spacing between the letters to be wider, you can do it this way. So you see how it pops. I usually don't touch that. So you can add effects to your text. You can say you want your text to lift, so you can see that it changes. All right, and you can create the increase the intensity right here. You can splice it, and then you can increase the thickness of the splice or the offset or the direction, whatever you want to do. You can equally animate this text. So you want this text to fade in, the text will fade in. If you want it to pop, the text will pop. If you want it to wipe, if you want it to breathe, you can do basically anything with this text. So now let's look at how we can create a video inside of Canva. So if you go right here, you go to the home and you want to come to this video icon right here. So you click videos and you want to see the templates of videos that you can use. So as you can see, it equally shows you how to create different kind of videos for Facebook, videos for video messages, mobile video, YouTube video, and then a whole lot of that. I think I should make a separate video for this, and then let's just look at how to create a Canva YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to make a separate video on how to create videos on Canva, and if you want to watch that one, I'm going to put it in the description of this video. So let's come here and search for YouTube thumbnails, because at some point you might want to start a YouTube channel, and let's create a YouTube thumbnail. If you have a YouTube channel, you must make thumbnails, and right here, when you search for YouTube thumbnails, again, you have different templates that you can use. But let's say we want to create a blank one because we already used an already made template already. Now let's create from scratch so you can see how this is done from scratch. So we are waiting for this template to come up and we shall start our design. So this is now up, and the first thing you need to do is to decide what you want your background to be. So you can actually change the color, or you can come down here and select a background. So when you click on this, you can come here and say you want to make the color black, but I'm sure you know this already. Or you can select a background and say maybe you want this, and then that is going to become the background. But we have to remove this because this is not free, so I have to delete it. And some of them are free, so like this one should be free. This is free. However, you can come to elements again and just search for gradients. Maybe you want to search for a green gradient background. You can just say green gradient, this, and then you can find some very fine gradients that you can use. So let me delete this one and add a green gradient, and then you can resize this gradient to fill the box. All right, this depends on the kind of design you want to do. So let's say we want to add a text and want to make it a heading text, and you want to say how to use Canva or whatever you want to use this for, how to use Canva. So this is basically all. So we want to change this font to, let's say, Anton. So you can decide to increase this way. Just hold it and increase the size, and you can put it right here, or you can break this text and then you can make it bolder and keep it wherever you want it to be. So let me close the line spacing, and so I close the line spacing and increase it and keep it somewhere here. Let me break this again, and okay, I think this is okay. So let's say how to use Canva. You can come to the elements and you can search for Canva or any other thing you want to search for. You can say you want to search for Facebook, Instagram. Some of them Canva already have they provided this thing for you, so you can use. So I can say I can just put Canva here, and then say I want to upload myself or an individual. I can come to uploads, and then you can upload a file instantly before you use. I already have one uploaded, so I'm just going to go and select that one. You must have seen this one. So you upload a picture. You must have removed this background somewhere else. I already removed this background using remove.bg because I do not use a Canva Pro. But if you had a Canva Pro, you can actually just remove this background inside of Canva. So you just move the picture, you can put it here, you can flip the picture as you want. If you want it to stay here and you want this text to come this way, anyone you want, so you can just increase this as you want. So as you can see, you already have a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail for your video in less than 5 minutes. So this is how you use Canva for your designs, even if you don't know how to design. So once you are done, all you have to do is come to share, and then you can say download. You can download it as a PNG or as a JPEG. I usually download as a PNG, and then just click that and then hit download. Your file is going to be downloaded somewhere right here. As you can see, we now have how to use Canva, and you are ready to go. So this is how to use Canva. I hope this video helped you. Like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.